everyone, it's Danny and I'm here with my December GP Studio subscription box unboxing. This is the 3rd of January. It's taken a while to get to me because of the postal service after Christmas pretty much completely shuts down. So it's taken a little while. If you didn't get it sort of before New Year's, you weren't going to get it for a while, but that's fine. So I am going to show you what's in here. So as usual, I am just going to pull everything out and show you sort of bit by bit. Oh, this looks pretty. Oh, I like it. Oh, that's different. Okay. So this is sort of just an overview. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh. Okay, and then I'm going to pull everything out and show you bit by bit. So I'm just going to go in no particular order. I've just picked up off the top. Okay, so we've got the washi, and this is beautiful. I really like this. It's this soft aqua blue with these big white pansies. Pansies? What are they? Poppies, maybe, actually. Maybe they're poppies. And they've got little just soft touches of pink in between. In the middle, really beautiful. I can see myself getting quite a bit of use out of that. Okay, I've got to do these next because I don't know what they are, but they're intriguing me. So are these just like coasters, maybe? Come out. They're sticking to the bag, I know that much. Coasters? Maybe just coasters? I will ask Gabby and see what she says what they are. This is obviously kiwi fruit and this is dragon fruit. Pretty different, I don't know. They feel cool. Okay, next we have a pen, just because it's what's on top. And this is a fatter style pen, and it's just got a white barrel with a gold top and bottom hardware. It's really smooth, it almost feels like ceramic. And it's a capped pen, not a twist pen, so you just pull off the cap. And shall we write something? Okay, I'm just taking this bit of... Come on, get going. It's just because it's new. Yeah, I think it's just... Oh no, it's not a ballpoint. It's an ink pen. Oh wait, it's got a protective little top on it. That's why I wouldn't write. Okay. Well, it writes nicely. That's nice. It's like a nice gel ink pen. And I'd say you could replace, it feels like it comes off so you can replace the barrel. It's actually quite weighty. It feels quite substantial and expensive. Okay, next we have some sticky notes, and these are light bulbs with, one has florals inside, which is pretty cool. I like the sticky notes. And that backing pattern is really pretty. I hope we have a paper that is that same pattern. I'm excited about that. Okay, die cuts. That should come. Okay, so as usual, I'm just going to flick through these and speed up this section. Okay, I really like this egg chair. I like the girl with her coffee, and I like the drinks, and this tent is beautiful. This made me laugh a little. It's just a headless person, which I find a little odd. The rest are all beautiful though. I can definitely use them all. There's some quite small ones in this month's die cut pack, which some people like small die cuts, some people like large ones. I tend to prefer large ones, but when I get little ones like this, I just use them like where I would use stickers, I suppose. Next we have our notepad, just has notes at the top, and then this beautiful floral border, and I like that it has, oh, that's come off, that's okay. I like that it has lines and some check marks. I use notepads like this all the time, mainly for shop stuff, for my Etsy shop, and just like daily to-do lists. They're really handy, I love them. So next is divider tabs, and looks like we have 12 as usual, so these are really pretty. I really like the mix of colours in this, and the soft tones. Next we have the sticker kit, so let's just go through this quickly. I have the deco sheet, the smaller full boxes and appointment labels, divider tab labels, your functional deco sheet with glitter headers, quarter boxes, mini flags, and some headers and habit trackers, and a little weekend banner down here. Some mini checklist boxes, some meal little things, a couple of little flags, and some washi strips. Some headers and some more of those smaller full boxes, and some flags down the bottom. And our date covers and icons and a little bit more decor. I'm not a huge fan of these this month, but that's fine. The rest of that kit is beautiful though, I really like it. Next we have the sticker album, and I'm really on the fence about these. I really like them. They're really pretty and well made, but I just don't see myself ever using it as a sticker album, so I don't know what else I would use it for. I don't know. I just don't buy enough sheets this size, and I have my own sort of sticker storage that works for me, so if you have any ideas what I could use these for, because I really like the patterns that they use for them, and they're really beautiful, like really nicely well made. Okay, this is interesting. So I just turned this over, and this pack has a recipe on it. So they all have, that's really cool. Okay, so these are like large journal cards instead of the little quote cards we've been getting. These are large ones, which is pretty cool. So we've got, and so the adventure begins, breathe in, breathe out. All progress takes place outside the comfort zone. I really like this one. I like that egg chair, and these flowers are beautiful. You got this, girl. That is gorgeous. I love that floral. It's on, time to make magic happen, and we've got like a bunch of cosmetics and body products there. And fall in love with taking care of yourself, mind, body, and spirit. Very true. And then on the back, we've got drinks recipes. So I think these are non-alcoholic. Yeah, they just look like juice, like healthy drink recipes. So that's pretty cool. Smoothie bowl recipe, another smoothie bowl, acai bowl, and another smoothie bowl. So that's cool. All right, next moving on to the paper, the vellum, and the acetate. Probably my favorite part, most of the way out there for you. So first up we have this beautiful, and this is very similar to what's on the washi, this bluey turquoise background with big white flowers, sort of pinky lilac centers, and this is all gold glitter accents around the outside of the flowers, which is beautiful. So 2 sheets of that, and then your opposite side is this graphic print, which I'm not a fan of, but that's okay. I love the front side. Next is another graphic print, pinks and greens and blacks and this sort of lilac. Not really a fan of this either. I'm not a fan of this type of print ever. So that's just personal preference, but I love this side, yeah. Absolutely love this. This pink roses and these soft sage greens. I really, really like that one. And this is pretty. So this is foiled. Hopefully you can see the foiling on that, and then it's sort of tessellated like a pavement, which I think is intentional. And then you have these little white roses and then your greenery. That's really pretty. And then your other side is that sort of cosmetics, beauty products print, which I like as well. So, but this is definitely my favorite out of the two. And okay, so this is what I was hoping for in the paper, but it's in a vellum, so I'm happy with that as well. So this is that, it's just like big watercolor pink splotches, really. These little glitter accents in here, really pretty, love that. And then acetate, which is gorgeous. I love this so much. So this is, oh, that's clever. So this is foiled. Can you see on that side we have silver, and this side it's gold. That's really clever. I really like that. So I'm more of a gold person, so I probably have this folded so that the gold is on the outside, and then when you turn it to open, it's silver on the other side. I love that. Really happy with the papers in this box. So that's everything in the December box. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Check the description box if you would like to find the link to where you can subscribe to this box. So thanks again for joining me. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and give me a subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.